Amazon A to Z app. Here you have it. Amazon A to Z gives you access to all the tools to manage your work life at Amazon. Use the app to manage your profile information, submit time off requests, check your schedule, claim extra shifts, see the latest news, and more. As an Amazon hourly associate, download the A to Z app to log in with your Amazon login credentials. This is not your personal Amazon account. Update your profile if needed with your phone number. Verify direct deposit information. Configure notification preferences to stay in the know. After getting the basic, A to Z will be your portal to everything from schedule management to getting your Amazon.com discount code. Time, submit time off request, check your accrual balances and claim voluntary extra time or time off. Schedule, compensation, news, profile, resources. So this is the app basically, and then you can just go and download it. So that's the idea. And then you can then just open it up. Quite popular and well-made app. And here you just have it. Log in as current or past Amazonian, and then you see deliver package. I used to work. I want to work at Amazon as well. You just have all of these logins in here, and then create alumni account. So that's what you have. So something like that. That's the app.